Hi, this is Chad Busenich, Engineering Manager with SumoSprings International. Today we have a 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 in the shop. And we're going to be installing our rear SumoSpring kit, SSR 217-40. This kit includes the SumoSprings, mounting plates, spacers, hardware, and our installation instructions. So now that we have the truck lifted up in the air, front wheels are chocked, we have the frame sitting on jack stands. We've pulled the wheels and tires and lowered the axle to get plenty of room to work. Start by removing the factory bump stop. I'm going to start by adding some blue thread locker to the threads of the bolt. Place the bolt through the SumoSpring. Add our steel backing plate, and then our 1-inch spacer, and thread that into the factory hole that the bump stop was removed from. And that completes the installation of our SSR 117-40 SumoSpring on this 2025 Chevy 1500 Silverado.